Ever tried eating healthily when your cupboard is full of biscuits and crisps? You're not setting yourself up for success. Environment beats will every time. So if you want to eat healthy, bin the crisps and the biscuits. Replace them with healthy snacks. You know what they are. You can do the research. Get them in the cupboard. Now, if you are addicted to KFC and you're hungry when you're coming home from work and you're driving past and you get that waft, guess what? You're going to pull in the drive-through and you're going to buy a big bargain bucket. So change your route home. If you want to get up in the morning and exercise and you're feeling a bit tired and your fizz kit's a bit smelly, guess what? You're going to hit the snooze button and go back to sleep. How about put your alarm clock on the opposite side of the room, put your fizz kit next to your bed. You've got to get up, put your fizz kit on, turn the alarm off, go do your fizz. Set yourself up for success. I've got loads of these. I could talk about these all day. So if you want some more, drop me a line. I'll see you tomorrow for some more tips.